English to Spanish. May I equals
Puedo.
welcome. Hey, good to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll unlock the polite key phrase, may I, which in Spanish is
Puedo.
imagine a polite robot that freezes at every door until it says
Puedo.
beep, door opens, confidence unlocked. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll ask for permission smoothly in Spanish, anywhere. Ask to sit. May I? To sit here, please?
Puedo. Sentarme aquí, por favor.
Ask to open. May I? Open the window?
Puedo. Abrir la ventana.
Ask to borrow. May I? Borrow your pen?
Puedo. Tomar prestado tu bolígrafo.
Feel the phrase. Lock in the sound with rhythm and motion. Clap with me. 2-beat groove. Clap clap, say.
Puedo.
Metronome trick. Tick.
Pue.
Talk.
Do.
Rhyme it. Be cool and slow, ask before you go.
Puedo.
Gesture. Raise your hand slightly, palm out, as you say.
Puedo.
Movement. Step forward, pause, tilt your head, say.
Puedo.
Taste a mint to set a polite tone, then ask.
Puedo.
Tap your chest lightly to signal, I. Mini dialogue. Listen, smile, and repeat out loud. A. Excuse me.
¿Puedo usar su cargador?
B.
Sí. Claro.
On the bus, you.
¿Puedo sentarme aquí?
Person.
Claro. Adelante.
At the door, you.
¿Puedo entrar?
Guard.
Pase, por favor.
Forms and friendly alternatives. Level up your toolkit so you sound natural. Impersonal, formal.
Se puede.
Is it allowed? Double check tone.
No puedo.
Is it not okay if I? Noun power. Permission is.
Permiso.
Squeeze by with.
Con permiso.
Handy verbs.
Entrar. Abrir. Tomar prestado. Usar.
Mnemonic. Permission equals Play-Doh. Just say.
Puedo.
Quick drills. Your turn, answer after the pause. Ready? Say in Spanish, may I borrow your pen?
¿Puedo tomar prestado tu bolígrafo?
Say, may I open the window?
¿Puedo abrir la ventana?
Say, may I sit here, please?
¿Puedo sentarme aquí, por favor?
Say, may I come in?
¿Puedo entrar?
Culture tip. Sound respectful like a local. In many Spanish-speaking settings, asking first is key. Try.
¿Puedo pasar?
In a crowd or doorway, it shows respeto and good manners. Fun fact. Spanish has used the inverted question mark since the 18th century, so
Puedo.
signals a question right from the start. Quiz lightning round. Answer fast, then check yourself. How do you say, may I, in Spanish?
Puedo.
True or false?
Puedes.
Means, may I. False, it means, can you. Fill the blank.
Barra baja barra baja barra baja barra baja barra baja entrar.
Single quote.
Puedo.
Odd one out.
¿Puedo entrar? Se puede. Puedo.
May I. Odd one. May I. It's English. Final challenge. One scene, you're the star. Speak it. At a cafe you smell fresh coffee, spot a window seat, and lightly raise your hand. Excuse me.
¿Puedo sentarme aquí?
The server nods, victory. If a giant golden door appears, remember the magic word key, whisper.
Puedo.
And walk through with a smile. Outro. Nice work, polite doors now open for you. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Puedo.
With verbs like
Entrar.
and
tomar prestado.
and you'll sound confident and kind. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and fun. Hasta la próxima.